Hi digital marketers, this is Faisal Amin. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to set up GA4 custom report for Facebook ads. That means you can using the custom report for Facebook ads. So no more delay, we are starting how to create the custom report in Google Analytics 4 for Facebook ads. So you can see that I am landing on the home page. So in the left hand side bar, you can see the report. Click on it and then in the library section and you can see the library, so also click on that and click on create a new report. You have to find out the two options. One is overview report, second one is details report. So our today target is details report, so we are click on it and we have to go to the blank, and here you have the option on report data dimension metric. I assume that you know that what is the dimension and metrics. And if you do not yet, then go to my YouTube channel. Then here I am discuss about metrics and dimension and filter and the chart. So firstly, we have to filter that actually which report we need. So I already told you our today target is Facebook, so we have to filter on it and select the dimension. You have to find out the lots of dimension which under the which dimension you have to create the report. So custom, demographic, general, geographic, you have an option to create the any kind of report according to your needs. But today I am trying to set up the session or source related. So I am go to the traffic source and session source and medium, and match type will be the you can select the contents or exactly matches. So I am selecting the exactly matches and see that which user coming from the Facebook ad. So you can see that a page, that is I also use the UTM parameter in Google Ads. So the all dimension value are showing here. So I am just selecting the page. So I am clicking the apply on it. So I am already filtered actually which kind of report we have a need. So firstly, we have to selecting the dimension at dimension, and again we are creating the report as a session source and medium. So I'm selected on it and apply on it, and then metrics we are adding the one by one metrics. So first one is new user. You can see that I am find out the new user, and if you also click on the drop down menu, then you can find out each and every metrics from your metrics section. So I am adding the new metrics, and you can see that metrics up to 12. That means you have to adding the 12 metrics at a time. If you need a more metrics, then you can create another report for adding the more metrics. So I am adding the session. You can see the scene under the session section. I have to find out the session, and second one is engage session, and then we have to adding the more metrics, engagement rate, and average. Then I am adding to average engagement time per session, and adding the event per session, total revenue. Under the e-commerce, you have to adding the purchase revenue and also the revenue, average purchase revenue. So I am adding it metrics. If you need the more metrics, then you can add it. So I am finally click the apply, and you can see that I have to find out the all metrics here. And you can also you have an option in the report. You can add in the dimension to see the report according to your need. You can see that all of dimension are listing here. You can using this by using this dimension, you can see the report. So here you can see that two charts. So I need the one chart only. I am disable the bar chart. So I have only need the line chart. That is the more perfect to understand the report. So after that, you have to save the report. That is Facebook ads reporting. That is only for the page. So I am save it. So I am creating the report, that is Facebook ads reporting page. So I'm back on it. And now I have to adding the collection. So create the new collection, and that will be also the blank. And here I have to add in the topic Facebook ads page, apply on it. And from here I am searching my report which I am created before. You can see that Facebook ads reporting page. which that is I am creating. So you just adding here. So I am adding it, and untitled collection, that is Facebook or Meta, whatever you have to put. And finally, I am saving the collection, and you have to find out the two options: save changes to current collection or save as a new collection. So I am selecting the save as a new collection. So collection name is Meta as paid, save it. So after saving this, I'm go to the back, and under the collection section you have to find out the meta ads. Here you can see that meta ads that should are not published, so you have to publish to see the report in the left hand side menu bar. So I am just publish it, and after publishing, you can see that in the report section menu bar you can find out the meta ads paid, that is the collection name, and that is your report. So if I am clicking on it, you can find out your report here. Each and everything you have to find out which you have to print. So I think you have to understand how to create the Facebook ads reporting in your Google Analytics 4 platform. By using this report, you have to take any kind of business decisions and the user behavior and all of that. So thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next video with a new topic. Thank you.